To solve a system. You're going to think about this method as a giant addition problem. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be combining the two equations together to eliminate one of the variables. So if you notice over here, this system would have been 2x plus 3y equals 20, and then negative 2x plus y equals 4. So that would have been the system that they started with, and they're showing you this elimination process. So you're going to add together the equations, and when you do, 2x and negative 2x become 0 or cancel out. 3y plus y becomes 4y. 20 plus 4 becomes 24. So that's going to leave you with the second line, 4y equals 24. And then when you divide both sides by 4, you get y to equal 6. So this is very, very different than substitution, but for some people it just kind of clicks a little bit better, and it's a little bit easier to use if your equations are already in standard form. So for the steps, write the system so like terms are aligned, which would be standard form. So we know that standard form is ax plus by equals c. You're going to eliminate one of the variables and solve for the other. So here, if you see that's a negative 4y and that's a positive 4y, that's what gets eliminated. Substitute the value of the variable from step 2 into the original equation, doesn't matter which one, and you can then solve for the other variable. So here they eliminated the y, they were left with the x, and they substituted that value in to the original equation. So you see that work right here. And then you would write your answers as an ordered pair, x, comma, y. Starting off, level 1. Starting off with a level 1 type question. We have x plus y equals 4, and we have x minus y equals 2. So like I said before, you're going to think about it as a big addition problem. So I'm going to add together x plus y equals 4 and x minus y equals 2. I'm going to add those two together. When I do that, 1x, if there's no number in front, we always assume it's 1. So 1x plus 1x will give us 2x. Positive y minus y, that's what gets eliminated. That's why it's called elimination, equals 4 plus 2 is 6. At this point, I have to solve for x, so I'm going to divide by 2, and I get x to equal 3. I take this number, 3, I substitute it in for x into either one of them, doesn't matter, I'll just use the top one. So instead of x, I'm going to put 3 plus y equals 4. So to solve for y, I would subtract 3 from both sides. That would give me y equals 1. So when I go to write my solution, my x value is 3, my y value is 1.